Dear student, welcome back to our NIVS Home School. Hope you are safe and sound at home. This is Shivi Shah, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your BGS, that means Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the student of class 4. Our today's topic is CBBQ and CBBQ and CBSQ from chapter 6, that means competency based short question and competency based broad question. Today I will discuss these two topics. So let's get started our class. Class 4 subject BGS, that means Bangladesh and Global Studies, topic CBBQ. CBBQ, that means competency based broad question, and chapter 6. Number 1 question: tolerance is an importance value and a major social quality. What is tolerance? Describes about it. Student, you know our today's topic's name is tolerance. That means tolerance, the ability to tolerate something. Okay. Number 1, tolerance is an importance value and a major social quality. What is tolerance? Describes about it. Answer: tolerance is a great virtue which makes a man able to control his mood or behavior in a positive way by not hurting others' opinion. Tolerance is an important value. Everyone has opinions, so we should listen to every opinion with tolerance. But we should keep in mind that majority should be granted but minority should be respected. Only then we can build a peaceful society. Student, you know majority should be granted and minority should be granted. That means we should respect the decision of the minority, and we should take the decision of majority. And tolerance, that means to tolerate something. Okay. Number 2, following the opinions of the majority is a democracy. But can we respect the minority? What is the democratic ideology described? Answer: the democratic ideology is majority should be granted but minority should be respected. Everyone has different opinions, so we should respect others' opinion. Then we can follow the opinion of the majority. That is what we call democracy. A democracy, that means we have to follow the opinion of the majority. That is called democracy. Democracy is the best way governing a state. It is a system, okay, where we can get the majority's opinion. In a democratic state, all the citizens are equal in the eyes of law. We know in the democratic state, all the citizens are equal. All the citizens are considered as equal. All citizens enjoy the same facility provided by the government, and all citizens get same facility by the government. They also perform their responsibilities willingly to the state. Thus, a good relationship is built between the citizen and the government. So, you know, democracy is a system where we can grant majority's opinion and respect the minority. Now, come to the next topic. It will be CBSQ. That means competency based short questions. Number 1, tolerance is a social quality and it is necessary to build a peaceful society. What does tolerance mean? Answer: tolerance is a major social quality. Tolerance means showing respect to others' opinion. Different people have made different views of particular issue. We should listen to every opinion with patience. So, from this question, we know that tolerance means to the ability to tolerate something, and you know everyone has their own opinion. We should at first we should listen to them carefully with respect, and then we will decide the majority's decision and respect the others' opinion. That means minority. Number 2, everyone has opinion and no opinion can be suppressed. What is the meaning of suppressed? It is controlled. Okay. Why should we listen to every opinion? Answer: every single opinion is important. Everyone has opinion and no opinion can be suppressed. That means everyone is important and no opinion can be controlled. we should listen to them with tolerance to show respect to the minority and grant the majority. Number 3, tolerance can improve the practice of democracy. What is democracy? Now, the following the opinion of the majority is called democracy. There are 3 stages of this process. First, express an opinion, listen, then decide. So, it is a process of democratic system. At first, we should listen everyone's opinion. We should allow everyone to express their opinion at first. Then we will listen to them carefully. Then we will decide the majority's decision. It is a process of democratic way. Okay. Now, student, come to the homework. Today's homework number 5 and topic CBBQ, that means competency based broad question 1. This question will be your homework. Tolerance is an important value and a major social quality. What is tolerance? Describe about it. So student, thank you all of you. Do your homework at home and submit it on due time. Thank you all of you. See you.